Hi everyone. This is a SP2302 Ubuntu Python demo video. In this video, we will show you how to create Python program in Linux environment. It includes a Hello World and an Ethernet TCP communication program. Hardware requirements. For hardware requirements, we require to have a SP2302 board with a TTL to USB converter and Type-C power supply. It includes an Ethernet cable for TCP communication. Hardware connection. For hardware connection, the converter required to connect the pins next to the SP2301 module. The power supply will be directly above the SP2301 module. Please connect the Ethernet cable between SP2302 RJ45 port and the PC. PuTTY Setup. In this demo, we will use PuTTY Serial Terminal to run SP2302 Ubuntu Linux system. Before heading to the terminal, please make sure your parameters are correct. The parameters for SP2302 will showed in this video. When you had set the parameters correctly, we could start operate the Ubuntu system. TCP Terminal Setup. In this demo, we will use Hercules terminal tools to test the TCP communication with SP2302. For details, please refer to the link in the description. Basic Python in SP2302. In Ubuntu environment of SP2302, it included Python 3 in this OS. By typing Python 3, it shows the OS has entered the Python coding environment. From the displayed information, it showed the Python version is 3.8. Type help, it jumps to help mode for checking the information of this program. After typing modules, it's starting to show the modules included in SP2302 Ubuntu OS. From the display result, we could found that the security modules like SSL or SHA-256. Since SP2302 has a strong security features, these modules helps SP2302 to communicate with different IoT platforms. After we left help mode, we could try to input some modules using import command. It showed the basic modules and SSL modules are working fine. Right now, we could exit Python environment and make some Python coding. Create a new file n with .py to create a Python program. In my case, I had created a Hello World Python code. By typing vi, we could create, check and modify the Python file. It includes printing Hello World with a 1-second delay for displaying the welcome phase from SP2302. For running the program, we could just type Python 3 with the file name to execute the program. It showed the Python program works perfectly. TCP communication in SP2302. Now, let's start to create a TCP communication using Python. In this demo, I added a TCP server code in SP2302. By using cat command, it firstly shows import socket for TCP communication. The host is the IP address for SP2302. The socket has been created using socket.socket command. Bind command binds up the IP address and port. The set timeout function closes the TCP server when there is no connection for 10 seconds. The listen function will create the TCP server for this socket. And I print out the server details. In this while loop, it waits for client's connection. If it is connected, it shows the connected device IP address. The next stage is waiting for data from the TCP client side. If the server does not receive any data from the client side, it will end the loop. When the data has been received, it will directly print out the received message. After that, it returns a received message to TCP client. Next, SP2302 disconnects with the TCP client. If the socket opens for 10 seconds, it triggers to break the loop. The close socket command will be held after exiting the loop. For testing this program, we could run the program with Python 3 command. Next, open Hercules's TCP client terminal to connect SP2302s with its IP address and port number. In this demo, I had sent 123 data to SP2302 and received message received. It displayed the received data and it has disconnect with the PC terminal. Finally, it shows the program has turned off after the socket has opened for 10 seconds. This video ends here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.